Give me your information.
May I have a deputy?
Huh? You have a deputy. I'm standing in front of you.
Yeah, this one is over something.
Step out of the vehicle.
For sure.
Do you have your information?
I don't need to give it to you.
Yes, you do. Why would you not?
Because I came after you and you came to make a full...
Okay, step to the front of my car.
I could.
No, you will.
I could.
Go. To the front of my car. Go.
Now you're making me uncomfortable.
That's fine. Go to the front of my car.
I can't do that, sir.
Yes, you can.
Officer, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Sit right there.
You're a male.
Sit right there.
You're a male. I'm a
Sit
female.
right there.
You're a female. I'm a female. You're a male.
How do you know?
I'm a female.
How do you know what I identify as?
Exactly, but Trump gave it.
94.
That is.
Sit down.
You're making me uncomfortable.
Sit.
No.
I don't care. Sit down.
No.
Where's your identification?
No.
Where's your driver's license,
No.
registration, and
No.
your proof of insurance?
No.
You've made this so much more difficult than it needs to be.
Because you came made a U-turn in front of me, and you came after me and turned around. I
turned around because you committed a violation of Florida State statute. It does not matter if it is a yellow light.
Yes, it is.
I have explained to you why you were pulled over. I want your driver's license, registration.
And then you just put your hands
Negative.
on me.
I did put my
Yeah,
hands
you
on you
did.
because you're refusing to give me your
I'm not,
information, and I'm not
officer.
going to allow you to sit in that
I'm not-
car.
I'm not, officer.
You don't operate this.
I'm complying.
I'm in charge. Do you understand
I'm very
me?
much so complying, officer.
Sit down.
No, because you put
Then
your
how are
hands
you
on me.
complying? I
Because
did.
you put your hands on
I
me.
did, because
I can
you
take my
failed
shirt
to
off.
follow a
No,
lawful
I can take
order.
my shirt off as a woman. You need to identify as a male. I'm a female, and you just put your hands on me.
I did,
came
because
out
you are
no,
failing
no,
to
I did not.
produce your
No, I did not.
identification.
I did not, officer.
Did it?
I did not, officer.
Okay.
You just put
when
your hands on me.
When I asked you,
officer,
driver's
you
license,
put your
registration,
hands on
proof
me.
of insurance.
No.
Where's your driver's license?
You put your hands on me.
Where's your driver's
You
license?
put your hands on me.
Where is your driver's
put
license?
Your hands on me.
Where is your driver's
You put
license?
Your hands on me. No, officer. You put your hands on me. You put your hands on me.
Ma'am,
You
you're
put your
being
hands on
detained.
me. No, you put your hands on me. What are you doing? What
You're
are
being
you doing?
detained.
You put your hands on me. Officer, you put your hands on me. What are you doing?
If you do not comply, I'm going to put you on the ground.
I've been complying.
I'm going to put you on the ground.
You didn't
Turn
even tell me
around,
what you pulled me out of the
around
car.
and put your hands behind
You're
your back.
putting your hands on me.
Turn around and put your hands
Officer,
behind your
I
back.
literally have seizures, and you're
Turn
putting your hands
around
on
and put your hands.
Officer, no, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Step it up.
Officer,
Turn around
you're
and
putting
put your
hands on
hands
me. You're
behind
making
your
me
back.
uncomfortable.
Turn around and put your hands behind your
you're
back.
making me uncomfortable. No, stop, officer. I refuse. Officer, you're hurting me. Officer, you're hurting me. I didn't do anything. You didn't even ask for my identification.
I did.
No, you didn't, officer. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Officer, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Get your hands behind your back.
Officer, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Hey, take her.
Officer, please.
I got it. Just get on this side.
I got it.
Guys, listen to me.
I got it.
Get on
I
this
didn't
side.
do anything.
Hey, listen. Get on this
You
side.
didn't ask for anything.
Relax.
Hey,
Hey,
put your other
relax.
hand behind your
Officer,
back.
please. No,
Relax.
you're hurting me.
I got him.
You
Relax.
didn't
Let's
offer
go.
me anything.
Relax.
You didn't offer
Hey.
me anything.
There's no
Stop.
You didn't
Relax.
offer me anything.
Relax.
Officer, he's hurting me.
Relax, we're good.
I just sat there. He pulled me over. I pulled over. He's hurting me.
Hey, look towards the car. Look towards
He
the
hurt
car.
me.
Look towards the
I
car.
didn't do anything.
Listen.
Here.
You're hurting
Relax.
Go ahead
me.
and fix this one here.
You're hurting me.
No, you're fine.
I didn't do
Just
anything.
relax.
I didn't do anything. I was at a yellow light.
Just
I was
relax.
at a yellow light.
Hey, what's your name?
I
what's
was
your
at a
name?
yellow light.
I
What the
understand the
heck?
yellow light. What's your name?
I was at a yellow light. He threw a U-turn on me, and I was at a full stop.
Hey,
I was at a full stop.
just gonna slip
He's
these.
hurting me.
He's not hurting you.
Yeah, bro, I didn't do anything.
You're not listening.
I didn't do anything.
Steve, they won't come out now.
That's all right. Take
Deputy
your time.
Baker.
Hey,
Deputy Baker, it's Miranda. He literally he stopped me for no reason. I came to a complete stop. He made a U-turn.
Calm down.
And then I came out and he tried to put his hands on me.
All right.
As a woman.
cooperate.
Right here.
I'm cooperating and then he tried to put me to the ground.
Okay.
I
a breath.
promise you,
Take
Deputy
a breath.
Baker.
Take a breath.
I'm trying to
Calm
take a
down.
deep breath.
Okay, you're not cooperating.
I've been cooperating. He tried to put his hands on me from the get-go.
Hey, just
We
relax.
got Kristen.
He did.
Let's go ahead. Okay.
I swear, I've been all my life.
All right. Resisting now is not going to
I'm
be
not
any good.
resisting.
You're all balled up.
Because he hurt me from
Take a
the
breath.
get-go.
Take a
And
breath.
told me, what do I have to identify as? I'm not a female and he's a male. He was like, how do you know what I identify as?
Calm down.
Hey, do you have any needles or anything on you that's going to poke us?
Listen to him.
Easy question. Do you have
Listen,
anything on us?
do you have anything on you that's going to hurt anybody?
Deputy Baker, I swear on my life, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Answer the question.
He was in his own feelings. I didn't do anything.
I'm gonna try to pull your pants up.
I didn't do anything. I put on my life. I was sitting at the yellow light and I waited for him to stop and I came after him and he made a U-turn on me.
Calm down.
I am calm and he
You're not
hurt my
calm.
feelings and he
You're not
upset
calm.
me and then he put me up. I didn't even say. I came out and I was like, no, I refuse because he was being mean to me.
She's clear. I don't know if this got a hoodie, like a pocket on the
No, you're wrong and you know it.
That's fine. I've been wrong before.
You've been wrong before.
I know I have.
I know
I
you
just
have,
said
but
that.
I know him.
Okay.
I know him faithfully and you hurt me.
Well, I'm Deputy
You put your
Thompson.
hands on me.
I'm Deputy Thompson now.
No,
we know
but
each
you
other.
put your hands on me.
I know, because you didn't listen.
No, I didn't listen because
Oh,
you
okay.
pulled me out of the car and you didn't tell me what I did wrong. You did that and you know you did that.
I did. I just told you I
No, you're not.
Just go
Yeah.
do what.
I didn't do
do your
anything
thing.
wrong to you. You didn't even try to ask me for my identification.
We're going to sit in here for just a moment.
You literally just pulled me out of the car without telling me anything.
Just turn and sit right here.
What's your first name? Put your buttons. There you go. Get back.
They tried to belittle me as a person.
Okay. Listen, sit back. You're gonna have
I
your
didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah, there's an open beer bottle on the floorboard over there, which would confirm. She was smelling it out of her breath while she's talking to me the whole time. You'll have your day in court, Miranda. Okay.
I can't have a day in court because I'm going to go to jail. I'm literally going to have more than that.
You know, let me give you have a problem, right? Your problem right now is that you're in the back of a car.
It's not my problem. It's not even my vehicle.
Hang on.
It's not even
the
my
problem
vehicle.
is that you're not allowing me to explain the situation to you.
My thing is
you're
it's not my
constantly
vehicle.
over-talking me. Okay?
It's not my
Your
vehicle.
problem is that you're in a situation right now, okay, where you're in handcuffs in the back of the vehicle. Am I correct?
No.
Yes.
That's not my problem.
Where are you at?
My problem is that this is the whole lie from the get-go.
No, you're in the back of a vehicle.
It was
with
a
your
lie
handcuffs
from the
on.
get-go.
Okay.
I couldn't even get my time
And that's
of
why
day.
we have body cams, okay, and dash cams.
It's
So
not.
guess
It's
what?
not about the dash cam.
Everything
the
that
body cam,
happened-
if that was the case, then my case would have been dropped. I'm going to trial for a militant hurricane.
Okay. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. Take a seat. Sit back. All right. I'm gonna put you in seatbelts. Okay. Because that's what we do. All right. And future reference. Sit back. Future reference. Okay. If you get in this problem again, right now the easiest way out of it is to just
I wasn't applying. He pulled me out of the vehicle. He pulled me out of the vehicle. I couldn't even get my registration or anything. He didn't know I was wrong.
You got DUI too.
Yeah,
She's hammered.
Yeah, I agree. I'm going to ask her if she wants to do SFEs. Hey, Miranda, I got a question for you, okay? Listen, I believe you're under the influence of alcohol. Would you be willing to...
I would be.
You'd be willing to complete standardized field sobriety for me?
I would be because I wasn't under the influence. I was looking for my vehicle. Looking for my car in my friend's vehicle.
Okay.
I didn't go anywhere, and you know that I didn't. You made a U-turn behind me.
I did, because I saw you...
You made a U-turn
Why-
behind me because it was on a yellow light, and
No,
I had
ma'am.
the right of way, and
No,
I made
ma'am.
the right turn.
That's incorrect. I told you why I pulled you over. You failed to stop.
Officer, and even
Okay,
after that...
listen, I'm not arguing.
I'm
Give
not
me just a
trying to argue
second.
with you.
You are, though.
To refuse.
Huh? No, she just told me she would do it. Yeah, she said she's willing to do it. She's convinced that I stopped her because she went through the yellow light, and I'm like, that's not why we're stopped.
She wants to argue about it instead of listening. So.
Yeah, well, that's my concern right now is if I get her out of this car, she's just going to keep arguing with me, and I don't know how far I'm going to get through these exercises.
You give her the opportunity, and if she's not compliant, then
Because I can tell you, after her resisting me, trying to get cuffs on her, I don't want to take them back off, Sarge. I'll be 100% honest with you.
if she's willing to say that she's going to do it, we'll take them off. But
Yep.
we'll have somebody on each side of her and behind her. Okay.
I think she believes that I'm about to do a breathalyzer, and I think that's what she agreed to do. Because she's asking me if I pass the breathalyzer right here, am I going to go free?
Oh, okay. Hey, Miranda. What the deputy wants you to do is field sobriety exercises. You know what the difference between that and the breathalyzer is?
Yes, what I asked was, is that the probable cause?
The probable cause is a traffic stop and the odor of alcohol.
Right, but
Okay.
he didn't give me the odor of alcohol. He pulled me out of my vehicle because he said I made a traffic violation, but didn't give me the description of that.
We're not going to stand here and debate the
I'm
reason
not
for this stop.
debating that,
Okay.
but I know
Okay.
you know
What
that I've
we're
stopped
asking you to do-
stopped before, and
Sure.
I've been in the jail because of the hurricane, and
Okay.
I can't go to jail because of bond. So I was very compliant because of that. So there was no reason for me not to be compliant. With that being said, why would I go back to jail knowing that my bond can be revoked and I can go to jail for that?
What we're asking you to do is
Right.
field sobriety exercises.
My thing is if I will be able to pass that, what will go after that?
We would make a determination at that point.
Determination at that point?
Yep.
And will I be able to get a traffic violation?
I'm not going to tell you
one
one way or the other because we're not there yet.
I understand that, but
I'm not going to hold everything over your head or tell you that
I'm
we're going
being very, very understanding,
Yeah,
and I'm
okay.
trying to
I
understand
get it.
what's going on.
Yep.
At this point, even if I were to pass or not pass, where is the violation that I committed?
Okay. Again, I'm not going to debate.
I don't know the violation that I committed, is what I'm saying.
He was explaining it to you when you were standing over
Right.
here screaming at us. Okay.
No, I wasn't. I literally got pulled and grabbed. I have a literally mark on my arm to
Okay.
show that he literally put me over when I told him that I was a woman. I would rather have a female because he told me he wanted to search me.
You don't have that option.
I didn't have the option,
Okay.
but
You don't
what
get
made
to
me
select
upset.
what police officer.
I'm talking to you as literally I know you before and you met me
Yeah.
before. I'm trying to tell you that he upset me because he told me what can I identify as, and I identify as a male or female.
Okay.
So are you making me uncomfortable, trying to make me feel like I'm not a male or female?
It's trying to be respectful.
No, it's not respectful
Okay.
because the way you said it.
That's how you perceived it. Okay.
But exactly, and
All right.
I'm only being compliant because of that. But I'm
Okay.
not being incompliant because of his actions. I'm being compliant because of
All
what
right.
he said.
So at this point, are you going to submit to field sobriety exercises?
Even if I submit or not submit, if I'm going to be able
Are
to
you
pass,
going to submit or
no.
not submit? Okay.
Perfect. I want to submit, but I need to know the answer to that.
You're under arrest for DUI.
Hello. Yes. Can I please get my sobriety test, please?
Didn't they already do it when you step out for me? I'm gonna search you.
May I get my sobriety test? Like, goddamn, I didn't do. What the fuck? I'm not even drunk. I didn't even have one beer.
Here, come on. Well, spread your feet for me.
Y'all are not gonna try to give me a test or what?
Just DUI doesn't just mean alcohol. I mean,
I'm not on nothing. I don't do drugs. What the f?
I'm not saying that you do. I'm just saying that.
Y'all told me y'all were gonna give me a test. I'm like, what the f? Where's the test?
Did you refuse?
No, they're trying to confuse me on what the f I'm saying. I'm trying to say like I didn't do anything wrong is why I'm saying no. I will take a test if I have to prove it.
Do me a favor. Stop
No,
moving.
I can't go to jail. I literally just went to jail for a Hurricane Milton or curfew.
Yeah, I need her to turn and
I'll
face
turn-
the car. Face
Oh,
the
oh,
car.
oh.
Spread your feet.
Oh, okay.
I need you to stop moving. Spread your feet.
I have nothing, literally.
I don't care. I need you to spread your
My
feet.
feet are spread, sir. What the? Y'all are
again.
tripping. This is crazy as. This is kidnapping. This is insane. I didn't do anything wrong.
Is this your phone?
Can I take my test?
Huh?
That's not my phone. Can I take my? I was looking out. For
So whose phone is this?
I have no idea.
So do you want me to leave it in the car?
I need to take my test.
You refused.
No,
We just
I
asked
told
you and
no.
you
That's not what
refused.
you said. You made me
That's
feel like
exactly
as if
what
I
we
was
said.
going to jail regardless.
seat.
Hop back in the car.
No, that's crazy.
Come on,
Yes,
have
ma'am.
a seat.
Oh my God, y'all are tripping. Oh my God, this is crazy. What the? Sir, you're really gonna ruin my life over a traffic stop?
Miranda, these are questions that you
No,
should
those
know
are
the
questions
answer to.
you didn't give me the right to do anything.
What do you mean?
You didn't.
I don't know. I don't understand what that means.
You know what that means.
I truly I don't.
You do. That's wild.
She is facing charges of DUI and resisting arrest without violence. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.